Days past 18, he was waiting for the bus in his army green, sat down in a booth. Cafe there gave his order to a girl with a bow in her hair. He's a little shy, so she gave him a smile. Mind sitting down for a while and talking to me. He went a little lonely. Said I'm off in an hour and I know where we can go. So they went down and they sat on a pier. He said, bet you got a boyfriend, but I don't care. I got no one. Send a letter to. Would you mind if come back here to you? I cry, never gonna hold the hand of another guy. Too young for him and soldier, waiting for the love of a traveling soldier. Our love will never end, waiting for the soldier to come back again. For more we alone, the letter said, the soldier's coming home. The letters came from an army camp in California and Vietnam, and he told her of his heart. Might be love and all the things he was so scared of. Said when it's getting kinda rough over here, think of that day sitting down at the pier and I close my eyes. Your pretty smile. Worry, but I won't be able to write for a while. I cry, never gonna hold the hand of another guy. Too young for him and told her, waiting for the love of a traveling soldier. Our love will never end, waiting for the soldier to come back again, nor be alone. When the letter said, a soldier is coming home. One Friday night at a football game, the Lord's Prayer said and the anthem sang. The man said, folks, bow your heads, Mr. Local, Vietnam dead. Go. Crying all along under the stands was a piccolo playing a marching band, and one name read, nobody really cared. But a pretty girl with a bow in her hair. There you go. I cry, never gonna hold the hand of another guy. Too young for him and told her, waiting for the love of a traveling soldier. Our love will never end, waiting for the soldier to come back again, never more be alone. When the letter said, a soldier's coming home. I cry, never gonna hold the hand of another guy. Too young, a man told her, waiting for the love of a traveling soldier. Our love will never end, come the soldier to come back again, never more be alone. When the letter said, a soldier's coming home. push stop.